Naka-try na ba kayo ng horchata flavored soft swirl ice cream? Sharing with you yung bago namin binabalik-balikan sa Green Hills Mall, yung Chubby Webby. Gustong-gusto namin ng daughter ko itong mga soft swirl nila. I tried today yung ceremonial matcha soft swirl nila, and this is good. Not too strong yung matcha flavor kaya hindi siya mapait. Tamang-tama lang yung blend to enjoy the matcha flavor. Ang gusto ko dito sa Chubby Webby, ang sarap ng texture ng soft swirl nila. It's creamy and not so sweet. My daughter's favorite is their horchata soft swirl. Hindi ko pa nga na-video na bawasan niya agad. Malalasahan mo yung cinnamon and vanilla flavors ng horchata but not too prominent. Ang sarap talaga ng pagka-creamy ng soft swirl ng Chubby Webby. Happy na naman kami! Also try their frozen cereal milk. I love this kasi mahilig ako sa mga cereal milk flavors. Perfect tong dessert ngayon, lalo na mainit sa labas. May crushed ice, cereal milk, cornflakes, and caramel sauce. They also have specialty coffee drinks made by Candid Coffee. Try their Revel Bar by Candid. Love the playfulness of this drink. May espresso, banana, oat milk fudge, cinnamon, and pie crust. We love going back here. Ang dami pa namin gustong itry sa drink options nila. Anong go-to drink nyo sa Chubby Webby?